If your TikTok cape is not showing up in Minecraft, there are several possible reasons for this issue. A poor or unstable internet connection can prevent the cape from syncing with your Minecraft account, resulting in the game not loading all features correctly, including the cape. To resolve this, ensure you have a stable internet connection, and if necessary, restart your router. Then, log out of Minecraft and log back in to see if the cape appears. Another reason for the cape not showing up could be that it was redeemed on a different Minecraft account. To fix this, log out of your current account and log back into the one where you redeemed the cape. Additionally, using an outdated version of Minecraft can also cause the issue, as both Java and Bedrock editions require updates to support new features. For Java Edition, open the Minecraft launcher to check for updates, install the latest version, and restart the game. For Bedrock Edition, update the game through the platform's App Store or Game Library, and then restart Minecraft to see if the cape appears in your character's inventory. By addressing these potential issues, you should be able to fix the problem and get your TikTok cape to show up in Minecraft.